Hi guys, and welcome back to another video with ReecyVidz. Today I'm going to do a video a little bit different to my usual Manchester development tours. So today I'm going to 20 Stories Bar in Manchester. So stay tuned and there's more to come.
Had 7 days since I tried to rip a chapter out my mind. I've tried, and his laugh is just as soft as yours, smiling just as well.
So this is my train, so let's head to Manchester.
And his voice is just as dark as yours, freckles just as light. Could be what I desire. So it feels like my hands are tied, hands are tied, hands are tied. Cause he's got those stranger eyes, stranger eyes, stranger eyes. And he could be what I like, what I like, what I like. But he's got the...
Hi guys, I'm now in Manchester. I'm going to 20 Stories Bar. I'm really looking forward to it. I haven't been for about 7 years. Last time I went to it was in 2019. So just before COVID, quite a while ago. And I'm really looking forward to it. I had a bit of a struggle getting out of the station because I've got my ticket on my phone and I would try to scan it and it was taking absolutely ages, and I felt really awkward because everyone else was just going straight through and I was like, okay then. So yeah, I'm now in Manchester. Tell me I look like yesterday's chip paper without telling me I look like yesterday's chip paper. So it's an absolute beautiful day in Manchester today. It's so sunny and nice. I thought I'd make the most of the weather and come on a sunny day, because when it's raining it's really miserable. Even though the buildings still look really nice, it's just miserable, isn't it? You don't get the same vibe. So beautiful, isn't it? So I used to go to 20 Stories Bar quite often when I was younger. When I was in my early 20s, I used to go quite often. I used to think I was really cool going, but I haven't been for so long. It's just something I haven't really thought about doing for ages, and I just thought it'd be a different video to what I usually do. So yeah. 20 Stories Bar is located in Spinningfields in Manchester. It's a 20-storey block and you get really good views across the skyline. There isn't a dress code and you can just walk in. I just wanted to dress smart because I never get the opportunity to dress smart to go anywhere, so yeah. Influencers go wild in here for pictures. So I chose to get a bottle of Coke and it came to £4.20. It's absolutely worth the price because you're paying for the view as well as the drink. And I did come on my own, and do you know what, I don't care. Own yourself and just do you. Honestly, I didn't care whatsoever, and I never do, because at the end of the day you should live your life. Don't care what people think. So I definitely felt like I was in a penthouse in New York with this view. Honestly, it was incredible. So as you can see over to Collier's Yard. It's a really, really good view, this is. I really, really enjoyed it. So I'm just pretending to be posh, and like I do this sort of thing all the time. I am definitely dressed for the occasion, I suppose. 20 Stories launched in 2018, and it has been a really popular place for people to come sightseeing and dine and drink. And as you can see, you are spoilt for choice with views. It is just like Manhattan. Honestly, it is beautiful. I really recommend coming. It's a really, really nice place to chill and just take in everything around you. If I lived in Manchester, I would come here more often because it is so nice and the staff are so welcoming. I really felt at home. They were so nice to me and polite. So I've really enjoyed my visit to 20 Stories, so now let's head back to the station. Hashtag outfit of the day. And a cheeky pose too. So I grabbed a Greggs on the way back to the railway station. I love him. I've had a really nice day, it's been really good, I've enjoyed it. Sorry it's not the usual development tour that I usually do. There is videos like that coming up in future. But today I just fancied going for a drink up a skyscraper. So thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos to come in future.